Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to get car keys in slap battles. You must first obtain the Slappy Wheels badge. According to the wiki, to get the badge you must use the ability 2 of the glove Adios glove when riding with someone who has car keys. Then you'll be teleported to the slap cart race. Finish the race first or within 30 seconds of the ghost finishing in a private server. And after getting the Slappy Wheels badge, you unlock the car keys glove. The car keys glove gives you an ability called the whip, which transforms the user into a car and you can ram other players for XP. If you get the mastery version of the glove, there are additional challenges like earning 100,000 XP as the car crash 750 times, etc. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.